To use Cash App on DoorDash without a card, you will need to link your Cash App account to DoorDash through the app. First, make sure you have the latest version of the DoorDash app installed on your device. Open the DoorDash app and navigate to the payment section. Select Add Payment Method and choose Cash App as your preferred payment option. You will be prompted to enter your Cash App login credentials to authorize the link between your Cash App and DoorDash accounts. Once you have successfully linked your accounts, you can proceed to place an order on DoorDash. When you are ready to check out, select Cash App as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Cash App website to confirm the payment. Review the order details to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the payment. Your Cash App account will be charged for the order, and you will receive a confirmation of the payment. It is essential to note that you must have sufficient funds in your Cash App account to complete the payment. If you encounter any issues during the payment process, you can contact Cash App or DoorDash customer support for assistance. Using Cash App on DoorDash without a card is a convenient and secure way to pay for your orders. And by following these steps, you can enjoy a seamless payment experience. Additionally, using Cash App on DoorDash offers various benefits, including rewards and discounts. You can earn cashback and other rewards when you use Cash App to pay for your DoorDash orders. Always review the terms and conditions of the Cash App and DoorDash services to understand the benefits and any applicable fees. By linking your Cash App account to DoorDash, you can enjoy a hassle-free payment experience and take advantage of the rewards and discounts offered by both services. This payment method is available for users in the United States, and it is subject to the terms and conditions of both Cash App and DoorDash.